Friends, question number 6 of exercise 8.3. Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amount he would pay after 1.5 years. If the interest is calculated annually and if the interest is compounded half yearly. So, same period, 1.5 year, 80,000 rupees and 10% per annum. But the method they have asked once if it is calculated annually and if it is calculated half yearly. So what will be the difference of this amount received half yearly and amount received annually? ठीक है? So we will first of all find out for compounded annually. So we require amounting method. So principal 80,000, rate 10%. Here I will write annually and time 1.5 year. So 1.5 year means 1 year plus 6 months. Clear? So first of all we will find out for 1 year and then separately for 6 months, and together we will get the final amount. So for 1 year amount, okay, so amounting method AP1 plus rate upon 100 n. So 80,000 is a amount, principal amount, 1 plus rate is 10%, and for 1 year, so I will write n. So again 80,000, it will become 100 plus 10 upon 100 as LCM. So it will be 80,000, 110 upon 100 raised to 1. Now here 80,000 into 0 get cancel over here, so I will get 11 by 10. Okay, and this 0 also get cancel over here, one time is 1 only. So 8,000 into 11, I will get round amount something for the first year is 11 8s are 88 and 3 zeros. So this will be the amount after first year, and this will become principal for next 6 months. Okay, 6 months still we want to calculate. Okay, so for 6 months amount निकाल देंगे. So PRT upon 100 multiplied by 12 क्योंकि month है. So this will be as a principal for the next into percentage is 10 and 6 month means 6 by 12 and upon 100. We can just cancel it out zeros. So we are getting 8800. Okay, 6 1s are 6 2s are divided by 2. We will get around about 4400. Clear? So this is interest of 6 month. So total amount, final amount भी निकालना पड़ेगा. So total amount is equal to this one plus this interest. So 1 year amount and interest of 6 month add कर देते हैं, तो 88000 plus 4400. So total amount will be 92,400 rupees, 92,400 if compounded annually. Now the same thing if compounded half yearly. तो यहाँ का तो मिल गया मुझे नंबर 1. Now here, so principal amount will be rupees same, that is 80,000, rate 10% per annum, but here half yearly, याद रखो, and time is 1.5 year. So 1.5 year means 6 month plus 6 month plus 6 months means how much? 3 times conversion period. 3 times. Okay. 3 times conversion period. So we will start for here only. Amounting method A is equal to P1 plus rate. अब हाफ ईयरली है तो रेट में हाफ हो जाता है, इसलिए डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड कन्वर्जन पीरियड n. सो 80,000 1 प्लस 10 का हाफ करना पड़ेगा एंड दैट विल बी हेयर कन्वर्जन पीरियड 3. सो अगेन 80,000 and 2 ones and 2 fives. So I am getting 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 3. So if we solve this, 80,000 and here LCM, so 100 plus 5 raised to 3. So 80,000 multiplied by 105 upon 100 raised to 3. Clear? So if we solve this, 80,000 into 105 into 105 into 105. So there are different way for these calculations. अब आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है कि विच कैलकुलेशन मेथड यू अप्लाई ओवर हियर. मैं तो इजी कर देता हूँ मेरे लिए. 0 0 दोनों कट गए, दिस 0 0 कट गए. अब 100 को रहने दूंगा, आई विल नॉट कट दिस. सो 8 इंटू 105 इंटू 105 इंटू 105 अपॉन 100. 500 क्योंकि सीधा डेसिमल पॉइंट रख के आई कैन रिड्यूस इज. इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई ऑल दिस आई विल गेट 9261,000. Okay, upon 100. So 2 zeros get cancelled. So amount what I received is 92,610. This is my second part. So from this first part and second part, if I subtract the greater one from the smaller one, this is half yearly amount received and this is compounded annually amount received. So difference, okay. So difference is, as it is given in the question, amount of half yearly minus amount of annually. ठीक है, compounded. So half yearly is 2,92610 minus rupees 92400. So if we subtract it and we will get a difference of some rupees, that will be rupees 210. Difference in the amount received if we compounded half yearly and annually. The same amount invested at same rate of interest. Hope so this much clear. We will move to our next sum 8.